Top 5 Best Fishing Carts. Number 5. +1 Cart Pier Fishing Cart. The +1 Cart Pier Fishing Cart comes with 6 rod holders and an expandable flatbed to maximize space without seeming too bulky and cumbersome. The intelligent design makes it easy to store all your gear including tools and additional cargo, while also being large enough to fit an ice chest to ensure your drinks stay refreshing all day long. It hauls as much as 300 pounds of gear, and the telescopic handle makes it easy to maneuver, whether you want to push or drag. The yellow wheels are clear and easy to identify, while its rust-resistant construction ensures longevity. The wheels are suitable for solid ground but won't hold up too well on soft sand, so if you prefer to head to the beach for your fishing, there are more reliable options out there. You may also like some of the best fishing nets from our list, so be sure to check them out. Key features: expandable flatbed, 6 rod capacity, tools rack and cargo walls, hauls up to 300 pounds, large enough to fit a small ice chest. Pros: sturdy yellow wheels, rust resistant, telescopic handle. Cons: not recommended for soft sand. Coming in number 4. Elkton Outdoors Rolling Tackle Box. Portable tackle box for outdoors use. First we have the Elkton Outdoors Rolling Tackle Box. It goes for $129 on Amazon, making it fairly affordable. This is a heavy-duty piece of luggage that just so happens to be a tackle box. It is made for all outdoor settings. It does not have a space to carry a large cooler. Strong, durable, and portable. The Elkton Outdoors Rolling Tackle Box is strong and waterproof. It is not too large and would be fairly easy to traverse along mild terrain in the outdoors. Also, it has a shoulder strap so it can be used as a backpack on terrain where the wheels might prove tricky. It features a large storage compartment as well as a generous tackle box with 18 compartments to store whatever fishing supplies you will need. Retractable handle. The Elkton Outdoors Rolling Tackle Box has a pull-out retractable handle similar to any standard piece of luggage with a compact design on 2 wheels. It is made to hold up well in outdoors conditions with a durable build and high-quality zippers. It has 4 rod holders on the side. Good for what it is. Our experience with the Elkton Outdoors Rolling Tackle Box was pleasant. It is a strong and sturdy little tackle box that can be transported easily either with the wheels or the shoulder strap and doesn't take up too much room in the car. Wheels are very small. The wheels were a little small and would definitely not be good to use in sand. They worked alright in mild dirt. The addition of the shoulder strap makes it more versatile, but the whole point of the fishing cart is that you don't have to carry it. Good for the dirt but not for the sand. This would be a great tackle box for use in the dirt, and the wheels held up well enough when we took it to the river. There were definitely parts where we retracted the handle and carried it on our backs, but for the most part the wheels worked and it was pleasant enough to roll around and came in handy often when fishing. Being waterproof is a huge plus. Ample amount of room. It was impressive how much we were able to fit into the compartments themselves. The storage compartment was able to hold a good deal of supplies, while I had no problem fitting everything I needed and then some into the tackle compartments. Good choice for the outdoors. This could be a good choice for an outdoorsman who wants a nice portable rolling tackle box for freshwater fishing. The durable and waterproof fabric would be great for camping, and the price makes it actually a pretty good deal. Those who want to fish on the beach or pier can look elsewhere. Coming in number 3. Gorilla Carts Marine and Fishing Cart. Summary. Being fully detachable is what sets the Gorilla Carts Marine and Fishing Cart from the rest, which is a great solution if you don't have much room to spare. This saltwater fishing cart comes with 8 rods holders, and even though it's not entirely collapsible, it is fully detachable and everything comes off the pull of a pin. Throw all the parts in the tub and you're good to go. This is what makes it one of the best fishing carts, especially for the price. Although it is not recommended for heavy sand, the Gorilla Carts Marine and Fishing Cart will perform fine in all other types of terrain. It has a rugged and durable aluminum frame with stainless steel hardware. A perfect choice for the pier, fishing, a picnic, and other sporting events. It has a pull-type handle, with solid all-terrain tires that can function well over any surface. It's easy to store and transport since all components can pack up inside the tub. Pros: rugged and durable aluminum frame, stainless steel hardware, solid and resilient tires, convenient to store and transport. Coming in number 2. Berkley Sportsman's Pro Fishing Cart. Summary: being an aluminum fishing cart, the Berkley Sportsman's fishing cart stands out because of its compactness and affordability. Made with a lightweight and corrosion-resistant aluminum frame with an electrostatic finish, the fishing wagon has a heavy-duty fabric to protect gear from the elements. It's easy to transport and store, and it is highly convenient. The Pro Fishing Cart comes with 4 removable rod holders and it is equipped with a cutting board and an integrated seat. This fishing beach cart has lightweight wheels and travels well over a variety of different terrains. It's easy to navigate, and it has a telescoping handle. Its large pivoting feet guarantee that it won't sink into the sand. Being one of the strongest fishing tackle carts on the list, the Berkley Sportsman's Pro Fishing Cart supports up to 300 pounds, making it ideal for a seat and a strong cooler. Pros: compact design for easy transport and storage. Allows for easy toting. Corrosion-resistant lightweight frame. Protects gear from the elements. Coming in number 1. Berkley Fishing Cart. Summary: for those of you looking for a lot more versatility, the Berkley Fishing Cart will give you all you need. This best surf fishing cart comes in a regular size or jumbo size, allowing you to figure out what size will best fit your needs. The smaller option can support up to 200 pounds and hold a cooler as large as 48 quarts. It has heavy-duty wheels and a corrosion-resistant aluminum frame with the electrostatic finish. Having 6 removable rod holders, hook, and loop straps, this beach fishing cart will give you the security you need. It also has an outfitted fabric liner so gear won't slide around. Its fold-away cutting board with bait cup and knife slots will give you the extra points and handiness you need. This top-rated surf fishing cart is collapsible, making it easy to store without using much space. Its adjustable handle makes it even easier to handle on the beach, pier, or grassy terrain around lakes and rivers. Pros: collapsible design with adjustable handles. Rod holders and loop straps keep the gear secure. Durable design with heavy-duty wheels. Easy to use and highly innovative. Provides plenty of space for fishing gear.